Welcome back everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate to you how I deal with bromine spills. For this I'm going to use some elemental bromine and the bromine spill kit. What is this? Well, this is 50% sand, 20% sodium thiosulfate and 30% activated charcoal by weight. You sprinkle this onto your bromine spill and it sucks up all the bromine and all the vapors. But before we start, I am going to put this tile onto the table because we don't want to mess up this table even more. That's enough. Also, when dealing with bromine, you absolutely have to wear a full face respirator. We then start off by putting a piece of potassium iodide starch paper onto the tile. A mixture of potassium iodide and starch is used to indicate halogen vapors. Then the bromine bottle is opened up and a few drops of bromine are transferred to the plate. You can immediately see the heavy brown vapors of bromine dispersing in the air. Look at the iodine starch paper. A thin layer of bromine vapors could be observed directly above the tile. The vapors stay down on the tile because bromine vapors are really heavy and they don't disperse into the air very well. Now, some of the spill kit powder is added to the bromine. You can immediately see the vapors being sucked up. Also, no more vapors are escaping from the bromine spill. To show the absence of bromine vapors, I held another piece of potassium iodide starch paper above the bromine spill. It didn't change its color before I held it against our pipette, which was still contaminated with bromine. Afterwards, the powder was dumped onto a towel. You can see that some of it continued to stick onto our tile. A little bit of bromine was still present. If you wait for 10 minutes after adding the powder, there will be no bromine left on the tile. But because I didn't wait, I simply put more powder onto the plate. Normally, a solution of sodium thiosulfate would be used to neutralize bromine spills. But I believe this is only suitable if you are cleaning an apparatus and you have to get rid of bromine, but not if you spill a large amount of bromine on the table, because if you pull this stuff onto the table, it will flow off without neutralizing all of the bromine, because it is a liquid and it will flow off the table. Well, if you like this video, feel free to give me one of these and consider subscribing to my channel for more stuff like this in the future. I wish all of you a nice day. Until next time, bye.